Maintaining a home in India can be challenging, especially when you can't reach the top shelves or ceiling fans. That's why this Corvids ladder is a game changer. It's made from high-grade aerospace aluminum, super strong but surprisingly light. Look at that finish. It's rust-proof and built for the long run, not like those old heavy iron ladders. And let's talk about space. In our apartments, every inch counts. It folds so slim it literally hides under your sofa. It's light enough to carry around the house with just one hand. Setting it up is a breeze. The auto-locking hinges click right into place, so there's zero wobbling when you climb. The wide steps have these deep anti-slip grooves. Even if you're up there for a while, you feel steady and safe. Perfect for when you're decorating or organizing. From Diwali cleaning to everyday fixes, it makes every job feel effortless and much safer. And don't worry about your expensive flooring. These anti-skid PVC shoes keep the ladder firm without leaving a single scratch. Bring home the Corvids ladder. It's the smart, slim, and sturdy choice for every Indian home. If you have a Corvids ladder and you notice any issue, don't wait. Contact us immediately so we can fix it in time and prevent any further damage to your ladder.